I'm Matthew Haviland here with Keller Realty, and I'm here to give you today a tour of the coastal model built by DR Horton at Harbor Pines, located in Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey. So come join me for a tour. So as you can see, this one is still under construction, but almost done. So we'll take a walk through, show you around the coastal model here. Starting with these double doors. I really like the double doors here. This is a nice touch. So as you come in the front entryway, we'll have a half bathroom here. Will be a half bathroom, coat closet, and then have this little hallway here. You have kind of the front wing of the house with 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. So it's actually 2.5 bathrooms here. Here's your full bathroom. You see this one is still under construction, almost completed. Nice transom window up there, tile floor. Then we have the bedroom in the front. Nice size closet. If you like the open concept, you like this coastal model, like DR Horton here. Very open layout here, kind of that great room. Got your fireplace here. Love these windows here. A lot of natural light coming in. You have a covered rear porch there, covered rear patio. Next you have 2 dining areas. This is your informal dining area, your casual dining area, eat-in kitchen area here. Very open concept. White cabinetry, very popular right now. The flooring, this is a luxury vinyl plank flooring. It's all covered up right now for protection, but show you around, give you a good view of the kitchen here. Plenty of counter space here. And let me show you the owner's suite. So in the back of the house we have the owner's suite. And a lot of natural light here. Coming through to the bathroom. You have a toilet there. Dual vanities here. Very nice large seated shower with tile surround. And your walk-in closet. Nice size walk-in closet. So coming around to the back of the house, we do have a really nice laundry room like this right off of the kitchen, laundry room with utility sink. And here's a look at the 2-car garage. Thanks for watching this video tour of the coastal model. If you'd like more information on this model, check the link in the video description. And if you'd like more tours of new homes, please subscribe to my channel for more updates. I also have a free report on 5 myths about buying a new home, so definitely want to check that out as well. Thanks for watching.